Breaking news: according to FIFA World Cup, Trump will be move World Cup from unsafe cities. US President Donald Trump said to will move match at 2026 World Cup from any cities things are unsafe. 11 US cities are scheduled to host match the next summer 48 team tournament which will be so hosted by Canada and Mexico. The US will host 78 of the 104 fixture including the finals. Host governance body FIFA is charged of organizing two tournament and selecting host city, and any change now or at later stage will face logical challenge. It is also unclear whether Trump has the authority to make such change, though he does have a closing working relationship with the president, Guinea Infusion, and is chief of the World Cup task force. It will be too safe for the World Cup, Trump told reports in the Oval Office. If I think it's safe, we'll move into different city. The 11 host cities, the US, Atlanta, Boston, Dallas, Houston, Kansas City, and Los Angeles, Miami, New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Seattle. Trump was asked especially about match in the Democratic-run cities of Seattle and San Francisco. Both are due to host six games. He also mentioned Los Angeles, another Democratic stronghold which will be host the 2028 Olympic 8 match next year. If any city we think is going to be even little bit dangerous for the World Cup or for the Olympic, but for the World Cup in particular because they are playing so many cities, we won't allow it to go to will move around a little, but he said. Trump has made taking crime central part of his agenda. Last month, he deployed National Guard troops and federal office into Washington D.C. Despite fingers showing fall in crime since in peak 2023, he said planned sent troops into Memphis and Chango too. In June, ordered 2,000 National Guardsmen to Los Angeles to deal with unrest over raid on under document migrate. The tournament will run from 11 June to 19 July. This is not first time Trump has spoken about the World Cup. In many said opportunity for Russia to play tournament could be incentive and area war in Ukraine. That is despite Russian national football team being banned from international competition by FIFA and UEFA since the country invite of Ukraine 2022 qualification for the World Cup having already started. In match, he claimed political and economic tension between the US and so host Canada and Mexico would be good for the tournament that come after impact traffic taxes charged on good import from other countries on the US to negate war. Sports Rila has content FIFA for comment and subscribe and your topics Thank you.